In front of me is ZTE Blade V8 Lite, and let me show you how to activate automatic system updates on this phone. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select Advanced, and scroll down to the very bottom of the list. Here you will notice developer options. However, if you cannot find them here, just take a look at our tutorial on how to unlock developer panel in ZTE, and then smoothly click to open. And now if you're scrolling down a bit, just mark the switcher unless it is active. So just make sure that this indicator is on, and from now on, automatic system updates will be on, so your updates will be applied automatically once your device restarts. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.